Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm excited to let the world know I'm intersex. Intersex people are born with sex traits that don't really fit the typical definition of male or female. I was born with AIS, androgen insensitivity syndrome. Like most intersex kids, I've been subjected to irreversible, unconsented, and unnecessary surgeries. These surgeries have caused way more harm than good. It's actually not too rare. 2% of the population is born intersex. It's as common as being born with red hair. People want to put us in a box, male or female, but in reality, sex is on a spectrum. Intersex is just a proof of that. It's important for me to speak out now. Those surgeries have been happening for way too long, and I wanted to stop now. I'm very proud to be working with Interact. I don't want to have any other kid to suffer the way I did. It's time to break the stigma. Please help by donating to Interact and following them on social media and sharing stories like mine.